Alright, so we had the car at Coles for about almost 2 weeks because we can't get air, waiting for replacement keys and locking system. But finally got the trailer back, so we were able to pick up the Mercedes from the Coles shopping centre car park, where it's been for the last couple of weeks. Yeah, dude. Oh my goodness. Are you doing TikTok videos, are you?
Yes.
Somewhere. Hand controller.
Alright, well, we keep going with this thing. Good luck today.
You get the button?
I get the button.
Out. And you can press out.
What's that? Okay. Wow, it's so easy. Yeah.
Just going to touch more.
Woohoo! Look at this.
Oh my god. I was wondering if it would open. Wee.
How's she looking up there?
Yes, good.
You might scrape your tyre, but
There is a gap there. It looks like.
They've created it.
I don't know. I don't know if they'll get wiped out on there.
as you can see, we got her all loaded up on the trailer. Now let's get it back to my driveway. Last time I drove through here, I was on a parade and it was going the other way and this way. Revving. Now she's being towed up the street. Right about chicken treat. I only takeaways in this bloody place. All the little splatters are blurring it every.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, put your hand out the window.
but then I get. Oh, lucky! That almost pushed it out of my hand. I went to go put it out the window.
Ooh, that's a bit windy.
Alright, last turn. Top of this hill and we're almost home. Awesome. Oh, that trailer looks sick, that low way. Bounce, bounce, scrape, scrape. Yeah. Sweet, we're here. Alright, we'll just pull up here and we'll let them go up that part there. Yep, sweet. Hey! That looks good. It's back home. Check it out. Okay, before we get going looking at this car, if you haven't yet, and you haven't looked at the earlier videos, this car is what I started the channel on. Okay, and also the reason why I am flipping cars to acquire you know, making a profit of 15 grand. Just because that 15 grand is pretty much what I'm going to need to do the engine conversion on this Mercedes. Now, I haven't mentioned or said what type of motor I've planned on putting on there yet, but it's pretty spicy. It's a very common engine, very common to Australia. Okay, so we all know them, we all seen them. But I'm going to find a way of putting this engine in this car, but I probably need around 15 grand. So this is the car. They got me on the journey to starting flipping cars to acquire 15 grand in profits, so we can get all the work done. We don't want it done, you know, half baked and stuff. So we're going to try to do it as well as we can, so it's really sustainable. All right, so let's get a looking at this car. Finally got her home from Coles. I ripped that ignition barrel out. Let me get the keys. Actually, got to rip the ignition barrel out. It's a whole boxing unit module system, and the key out because I'm waiting on the new one to arrive so I can install the new steering lock module, and we get a new key with it. Doesn't look too bad, but there is some work we got to do to it. Here's some few little things we got to get to on here. Some paint things on it. You don't see these when the car drives past, but I know they're there, so I know they're here. So we have a couple of scratches. Not a hard task at all. Yeah, I think those brake pads. Definitely got to get in there and change those rear brake pads. They are cactus. We'll change those too. All right, cactus rear brake pads. We get those done. Get some paint work done on that. There is that. That has been there since we bought the car. Don't know whether or not just to get a panel or learn, or I could teach myself how to do a paintless dent removal. I don't know. Might be just cheaper to find another panel. Oh no, it's that little scrape there. That'll buff straight out. No, buff straight out. And this has a crack there in that indicator lens. Honestly, you would think that these are illegal. We've had cops pull us over, test these tints, and then have us turn the lights on, turn them off, and then tell us everything's okay. Maybe it's just on the officer at the time. But you know, we keep driving around like this, and when we get pulled up, they just let us go. And now we just don't get pulled over anymore. More rotors. Brakes still look good. Awesome. Body works pretty good. You know, and not too many other imperfections. Alright, so that's going to be about it, because we got a bit to wait for that car to turn up, steering lock module, and the new keys. So we got the new keys. I don't have the new keys, these are the old keys. Once those get here, we can put it all together and start the car back up and drive it, but that's pretty much all we got to wait for. Got some scratches to fix on it, another panel. What else? Rear brake pads, because those are cactus. Those are gone. But other than that, I'm really looking forward to hopefully eventually getting to do the conversion on the Mercedes. If you kind of heard the engine in the video clip earlier on, you probably know what the engine is. Pretty sure we all do. I'm really looking forward to it. Hope we get it done. Getting pretty close. I think it's up to, once we sell that, if we sell that, it's actually the profit I'm at. Haven't got very far at all. I think it's only up to about 3,200 or something in profits. So I got some more cars to flip and get that budget up. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Gotta wait for some things to turn up before we can get anything done. So until the next one, probably a couple days, won't be too long. Stay tuned, we'll be coming out. Got some more, few little things to do on the Civic and get it ready for someone else, I guess, and sold. All right, y'all. Catch you on the next one. Peace.